Institutional Backend Operation Video 1. Or login. Open your computer browser. Enter the URL a3ff-service.bitmoji-zm.com. Go to the login page. You can switch the language in the lower left corner. For the first login, select verification code login and use an activated mobile phone number to log in. Gentle reminder, the first account logged in by the organization is the main account, and other sub-accounts are added by the main account. Input security code. Click to log in. To home page. After logging in, you will enter the home page of the institution backend. The interface is divided into two sections. The top section shows the number of devices, devices online, number of files, total number of tests, number of members, members online, number of tests today, and number of tests this month. The bottom section shows the most recent skin test recorded information, including task number, customer name, phone number, device information, and test time. Click Settings in the upper right corner to change your name, mobile phone number, email address, and password. Click Preview on the right to view the report interface and learn about the relevant test records. 3. Data Center. Click the Data Canter button on the right side of the home page. Below it are three sub-navigation bars, namely Record, Document, and Device. The Record interface displays all skin testing records of the organization, including task number, customer name, telephone number, equipment information, and testing time. Below the navigation bar, you can switch groups, departments, and enter the customer number to filter and view the inspection records. Click the Image button on the right to download the original image for detection. Click the image you want to save, and the border will turn green to select it. You can also click the All button on the lower left to select all images. Click the Download button on the lower right to save it to the specified location. After saving, you can view the downloaded image by decompressing it. Click the Preview button to the right of image to view the machine report interface. Click the Guide button on the right side of Preview to edit the detection image algorithm annotation and status assessment text. The left side can switch the indicators that need to be adjusted. The middle part shows the detection image and multicolor brush tools in the editing state. And the right side can preview the machine report interface. If you need to add annotations, use the brush tool on the right to make line annotations, circle annotations, and free rectangle annotations on the detection image. If you want to delete extra annotations, click the Eraser tool. If you want to delete all annotations, click the Reset tool. There are 7 brush colors to choose from. After completion, click Save. If you need to modify the levels and text of a certain indicator, click the Status button in the second column. Slide to adjust the level on the interface, and click Save. Click to close the guidance page and return to the backend main page. The document interface displays the customer number, photo skin test device number, customer name, mobile phone number, number of skin tests, and last test time corresponding to a single customer document. The upper navigation bar can switch between different groups, departments, and search for device numbers to view customer information. The device interface displays device-related information, device number, corresponding group, department, device version, device location, and last detection time. Click the Edit button on the right to modify the device name, groups, and departments. For Settings, the third item in the main navigation bar is Settings. The navigation bar below displays Organization, Suggestions, Product, Members, Department, Group, and Product grouping. The organization page allows you to edit the organization name, region, name of the person in charge, mobile phone number, email address, organization introduction, and upload a logo image. After saving, the modified logo will be displayed in the upper left corner. Web page of the organization's backend. The modified organization name will be displayed in the upper right corner. The suggestions interface allows you to edit the machine display text. Select the test item on the left, and 5 levels of text, A, B, C, D, E, will be displayed on the right. Click the Edit button to modify the corresponding text content. Gentle reminder, if you need to edit, you need to select Custom Settings above the copy, and the editing function is open to the main account. The main account will modify the copy content uniformly, and the sub-account has no modification authority. The same applies to the next product interface. Click on the paragraph you want to edit. The purple border indicates that the paragraph is selected. Next, click Edit. Each paragraph consists of 3 parts: title, copywriting, and image. Just follow the prompts to complete the entry. Displace the care mix button or content in this paragraph indicates that recommended products will be linked in this paragraph. Generally, you need to check the care mix button. At that time, the machine interface will display the entered products in this paragraph. Other paragraphs do not need to be checked. The product interface can import products that need to be recommended. First, the top is the test items, and you can select all or a single item. The bottom is the product plan of the 5 levels of A, B, C, D, E. Next, click the Add button on the right to enter the editable page, where you can edit a single or multiple items under the 5 levels of A, B, C, D, E. Follow the prompts on the interface to complete the input and click OK to save. After saving, you need to test your skin again on the machine to see the product display. Gentle reminder, the default product types are 5 levels: A, B, C, D, and E. If you need to change the product type, you can add it in the product grouping on the far right. The newly added product groupings will appear in the product type. If you need to change back to the default product type, just delete the product grouping. The members interface allows you to view all the information related to the organization's accounts, corresponding groups, account types, names, mobile phone numbers, email addresses, and last use time. Click the Add button in the upper right corner to add more accounts by filling in the mobile phone number, email address, and name of the machine being activated. Gentle reminder, the first login of the institution is performed by the main account. The main account is the only one. After logging into the institution backend, add other sub-accounts here. Sub-accounts can add other sub-accounts later. All accounts set. Modify passwords at the settings icon in the upper right corner. If you forget the password of the main accountee sub-account, you can log in with the verification code. If you forget your mobile phone number or email address, you can retrieve it through the machine serial number. The department interface can be used to set up the divisions of the organization according to needs, and the operation can be completed through the Add, Edit, and Remove buttons. The Groups interface can be used to set the device groupings of the organization according to needs, and the operation can be completed through the Add, Edit, Remove, and adjust the order up and down buttons. The Product Grouping interface can be used to set the product grouping of the organization according to needs, and the operation can be completed through the Add, Edit, and Remove buttons.